Hi and welcome to this introduction to meditation, teaching you some of the basics of meditation and guiding you through a simple exercise that everyone can do, as I want you to see how easy meditation truly is if you're uncertain about getting started. Some of the most common concerns I hear from beginners are whether or not they're doing it right, how to stay focused, and how to empty the mind of thoughts, which almost seems impossible, because it is. Before we start, I want you to forget all about doing it right. There are many ways you can practice meditation, and as long as you're enjoying it and feeling relaxed, you are doing it right. So instead, focus on the experience and simply enjoy the moment. But of course, there are some ways to make meditation as successful and pleasant as possible. But instead of looking at these methods as rules, look at them as advice to help make meditation a peaceful and relaxing experience for you. To help make the process as easy and straightforward as possible, let us divide it into steps, ending with a short guided meditation to not make the information confusing or all over the place. So let us begin. Step 1. Distractions. Before you begin your meditation, make sure you will not be distracted for the entire meditation. So go ahead and turn off your TV, your phone, or whatever distracting elements you may have around you. If you are living with other people, you may want to ask them to not interrupt you while you're meditating. When you have reduced the amount of distractions around you, you can proceed. Step 2. Posture. A lot of beginners believe they have to be able to sit in a full lotus position to be able to meditate, but that is not the case. When you're new to meditation, you most likely won't be able to sit in such a demanding posture, and that is completely fine. So instead, sit in a way that allows you to be comfortable, but with a nice and straight back. Do not sit in a hunched over position, as we want to open up the diaphragm and make breathing easy and unrestricted. If you're sitting down, you may want to sit on a firm cushion, as that can greatly help you straighten your spine in a comfortable and natural way. Also try rolling your shoulders backward to sort of put your back into place, locked in a straight position. You can also simply lie down, which allows you to naturally have a straight back, but be relaxed at the same time. Just make sure you're not too tired so that you're going to fall asleep. Step 3. Emptying the mind. As mentioned earlier, just the thought of having to empty the mind of thoughts is what keeps a lot of people from ever getting started to meditate, as they believe they will never be able to do that. But here is the good news. You're not supposed to empty the mind of thoughts. There will always be a natural flow of thoughts, which cannot be stopped, but it can be controlled and reduced. The key is to find a specific object to focus on, and then let your attention be on that one object. Usually in meditation, this object will be your breath. By turning your focus to your breathing, you will naturally experience a decrease in the amount of thoughts going in and out of your mind. Sure, you will be distracted doing your meditation and lose your focus, and that is completely normal and natural. But by focusing on your breath, you will find that your mind becomes calmer and quiet as your attention is on something else. So it is not about emptying the mind of thoughts, but instead to direct your focus and letting your mind and inner chatter become less as a result of that. Step 4. Breathing. So now it is time to focus on the breath. The breath is the very center of meditation, and we want to make our breath deep and slow, but without overdoing it, as that will only create discomfort and make us feel out of breath. So place one hand on your lower abdomen to help guide the breath. Then breathe into that area as you inhale. Try to breathe deeper and slower than you normally would, but still in a way that feels natural. Your breath will naturally slow down on its own once your body starts to relax. So simply follow your own tempo and flow, and always listen to your body and what feels right. So inhale deeply through your nose and exhale fully through your nose. Step 5. Guided meditation. So now it is time to try out meditation so that you can see how easy it can be. Just focus on enjoying the experience and allowing yourself to relax. So now that you're in a relaxed and comfortable posture, close your eyes and breathe calmly and deeply. So breathe in deeply, all the way down into your stomach. And then breathe out fully, letting go of tension from your body and worries from your mind. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. Just relax and let your mind be calm. Now imagine that you're surrounded by pure blue light. This is universal energy, and as you breathe in, you're breathing in this blue air, letting it fill your stomach and calming your mind and body. So breathe in this healing blue light and let it fill you with peace and relaxation. Keep breathing in this pure blue air and notice how relaxed and calm you feel. Just stay with your breath and enjoy this moment of peace. If you notice that your mind starts to wander and you lose focus, simply return to your breath. There is no need to get frustrated or upset. Losing your focus is a natural part of the process, so simply breathe deeply and return to your breath, following the relaxing flow of your breath and becoming more and more relaxed and calm. What a peaceful experience. Breathing in this healing blue light of positive energy and allowing your body and mind to just relax. So enjoy this experience. Enjoy this moment of inner peace and let it calm and center you. Center you in the present moment and removing stress and worries from your mind and body. So just relax and stay peaceful. Now take a deep breath and then slowly open your eyes. Notice how calm your body and mind feels, and then keep this feeling for the rest of the day. Congratulations on your first meditation. I hope you realized how easy it can be and something everyone can do and enjoy. Please share some of the thoughts and questions you have about meditation and being new to meditation in the comments field below. I am Dear Bittersweet, and I will see you in the next video. Namaste.